So, if it's not good morning, just hi to everyone. So today we are going to look into some of the questions to solve for CKA exam preparation. So, I'm also preparing. So, let's prepare. Why not parallelly? So, okay. So, first of all, I'm showing you one document here. This is a document which has some set of questions to solve for CKA exam. I have noticed that there are less questions in available freely online to solve, so that's why I have created few of the questions. So let's solve together. Now, if I want to just start with it, I just want to show you what are all the sections present for this examination. We have cluster architecture related for one section, which is 25%, and then there is workloads and scheduling, which is of 15% that comes in the exam, and okay, then services and networking of 20%, and the fourth section we have a storage 10%, and fifth is troubleshooting, that is 30%. And now comparing to all these sections, the second one, which is about mostly workloads and scheduling, deployments, config maps, secrets, all these things are little bit easy to start with compared to the other section. So we will start with this one. Okay, so in this, I'm going to solve for 39, 38, 39, and 40. In So let's get started.